It's my feel-good breakfast show.
Oh man, one of my favorite artists right there, Sia, rocking it out on this Monday morning with You're Never Dressed Without a Smile. So put a smile on that dial. We live in the most beautiful country in the world, man. Come on.
Ah, dude, we do. Come on, Cape Town, South Africa.
Are you happy living in South Africa?
Personally, I'm happy. Obviously, there's a couple of issues that I think me, including myself, and a lot of other people out there would like to be addressed. But yeah, man, I think I'm happy.
I am indeed. But listen, the United Nations have just recently released the World Happiness Report for 2015 and listing some of the top happiest countries in the world. So we thought we might share with you the 5 happiest countries in the world.
Exactly. So coming at number 5 is Canada. All right, now Canada, 5th happiest country in the world because here's the reasons. They have a high average income, long life expectancy of about 81 years, and low levels of crime and strong social ties.
Ah, okay.
That's Canada for you.
Oh, Canada. And then at number 4, Norway, which is undoubtedly one of the most beautiful places on earth with incredible natural wonders and a sun that never sets in some parts during the summer months. Imagine that, daylight all day, all evening. And of course, if you fancy a holiday in Norway, the North Cape area is one of the best spots to play when the sun stays out for 24 hours. Can you believe it?
Norway. I've still got to go there, man. Yeah. All right, then coming at number 3 was Denmark. The reasons there was they have strong family support. Now, and if you have a child, you get 52 weeks of parental leave, and that's a full year, okay? Full year of leave. They have one of the best healthcare systems in the world, and gender equality is prioritized. Okay. Well. Yeah, so people's really happy there.
Loving it. Travel tip there if you want to go to Denmark. If you're planning a holiday to Denmark, don't miss the Copenhagen Jazz Festival that takes place in July. It's 10 days of the best jazz artists in the world. We were celebrating International Jazz Day last week, Thursday. But coming in at number 2, Iceland, a nation that has almost straight darkness throughout the entire winter season. Active volcanoes and has faced a lot of the challenges, including, of course, bankruptcy. But you may wonder, why are people there so happy? Well, starting with the environment, Iceland has the most enchanting places on the globe. Workers get long paid leave as well, just like Denmark, and they have greenhouses that don't use pesticides on their fruits and vegetables, so they eat only mostly foods that have been cultivated in a very natural kind of good environment.
So a healthy nation.
Yeah.
Healthy nation, love it. And then the number 1 happiest city in the whole entire world is Switzerland. Switzerland, all right.
Country, buddy.
Exactly.
Switzerland is a country.
As in the country, Switzerland, yes. So, what did I say?
You said the city.
The city, all right, the country, Switzerland, sorry. Switzerland, so they took the top spot from Denmark this year, rising from 3rd place in this year's list of the world's happiest countries. The reasons are they're rich, all right? Switzerland they're rich, yeah. Comes in 8th in the world rankings when it comes to GDP. They live longer, most live until 82. And, of course, the chocolates. Research has shown that chocolate causes the brain to release dopamine, and no one does chocolate quite like the Swiss.
Yeah, dude, it's amazing. I've been to Zurich, and Zurich is absolutely amazing. But of course, something else it promises to make you happy as a traveler is Avios Avios travel rewards that you can collect while you are on your travels. And of course, you can travel to destinations both local and internationally using your Avios. In fact, as little as 9,000 Avios per person could get you traveling. Now, collecting Avios is even easier right now with the Avios credit card, where every 10 Rand that you spend collects 1 Avios for you. Now, of course, you can follow these guys and won't take you too long to collect enough Avios to make you quite a happy traveler and experience maybe some of these happiest countries in the world. Eh?
All right, there we go. Well, that was your top 5 happiest countries in the whole world. Switzerland coming in at number 1. But where is South Africa on that list? I wonder.
Don't know.
Hey, where's that list, Graham?